Learn the essential skill of factoring algebraic expressions step by step. Factoring transforms complex expressions into simpler products, making equations easier to solve. Let's start by understanding what factoring means in algebra. Factoring means rewriting an algebraic expression as a product of simpler terms or factors. We transform a single expression into a product of multiple factors. Just like numbers, we can factor 12 as 2 times 2 times 3. This shows 12 broken down into its prime factors. The first factoring method is pulling out the greatest common factor. Let's factor the expression 6x squared plus 9x. First, we find the greatest common factor of all terms. The GCF of 6x squared and 9x is 3x. Next, we factor out the GCF from each term. This gives us 3x times the quantity 2x plus 3. We've transformed the expression into a product of two factors. Now let's learn how to factor quadratic trinomials. Consider the trinomial x squared plus 7x plus 12. We need two numbers that multiply to give 12 and add to give 7. The numbers 3 and 4 work because 3 times 4 equals 12 and 3 plus 4 equals 7. So our factored form is x plus 3 times x plus 4. The difference of squares is a special factoring pattern. The formula is a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. Let's factor x squared minus 16 using this pattern. We recognize this as x squared minus 4 squared. Applying the formula gives us x plus 4 times x minus 4. Visually, this represents taking one square area away from another. Let's work through a complete factoring problem together. Factor the expression 2x squared plus 8x plus 6. First, we notice all terms have a common factor of 2. Factoring out 2 gives us 2 times x squared plus 4, x plus 3. Now we factor the trinomial inside the parentheses. We need numbers that multiply to 3 and add to 4. The numbers 1 and 3 work perfectly. Our final factored form is 2 times x plus 1 times x plus 3. Let's review the key factoring techniques we learned. Always start by looking for the greatest common factor. For trinomials, find two numbers with the right product and sum. Watch for special patterns like the difference of squares. Always verify by multiplying your factors back together.